Hi, I'm Big Pezza and this is a special announcement telling you all motorcyclists out there, motorbikers, motovloggers, commuters, delivery drivers, whoever you may be that ride on two wheels. Use your mirrors. Mirrors are amazing tools. You can do some of the following. Well, you can make yourself look absolutely fantastic. So when you do that face reveal on your motovlog, just make sure you look absolutely fabulous. Every hair is in place.
If you're wearing a camera, you can use the mirror to see if the camera's flashing red or not. See if you're recording. You can also do some very, well, interesting camera work with a mirror. But most importantly, that's where you should place your helmet. Your helmet is secure, it's not going to go anywhere, steering lock's on, it's the most secure place to put it other than the ground. First place ground, second place there. Putting it on the mirror, like so, will result in, well, I've never seen a helmet fall off, unless the whole bike goes over. The point is this: don't put your helmet on the seat of your motorbike. How many times I said to everyone, it's gonna fall off. I've seen it happen a million times. And I finally got it on video. That will show you all. Yes, I was right, see? I told you so. Anyway, just a friendly bit of advice. Don't forget, use your mirrors, kids. Don't turn the scene on. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. We're good, we're good.